Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x minus 6. Because we still have s, so I will put negative number 6 go to the left, and you got about u plus 6 equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equal to number 1, so I will put number 1 going here. 1 minus 6, you got about u equals to negative number 5. When s equals to number 2, we put number 2 going here, and we have u equals to negative number 4. Number 1, we got about negative number 5. And number 2, we got negative number 4. S minus 6, we change by u. About s, we change by this one. The s, we change by the u. This one, we have 2u plus 12. 12 plus 1, you got about 13. U square multiplied by 2u and number 13. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u to the power of 4, we have u to the power of 3, you got about u to the power of 4 over 4. This one you got about 13u to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds from negative number 5 to negative number 4. And now we put the value going here. And here, negative number 5. So we got the final answer. We have about 479 over 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.